monumental shift of human consciousness born out of necessity.
Our next step in the unfoldment of the human consciousness awakening is poised on the edge. Nature, it's nudging us to wake up and to see the recklessness of our ways. What will it take to muster the courage to take that step, to letting go of old mind rhetoric and step into the adventure of the unknown? And what is born of this pivotal moment is still yet a mystery. But one thing is certain. It is up to us, individually and collectively, to co-create this future together with courage and love. As we face these great challenges together, we are changed as a people. We certainly have the tools to accomplish the possibilities awaiting manifestation of our new story. The question is, do we have the will? The choice is ours. We have the power within us. We are called to write a new story as we can stay disconnected, alienated, and silenced no longer. How much more chaos and crisis will it take to get us to choose to fall in love with our world all over again?